Hello YouTubers, I'm showing you part 2 of my video on my attempt to clean this exterior stainless steel door handle. In the part 1 video, this handle had a lot of dark discoloration buildup from being on the exterior for about 40 years. So yeah, just with the weathering and I think water, rain from the outside contacting it caused this darkening, greening buildup, which I'm guessing could have been like calcium lime buildup. So my idea to clean this up for my research was to use either CLR, but I like this product called Lime-A-Way, which looks like it pretty much does the same thing. So I sprayed it and I let it soak, watching other videos from other people had made, letting it soak for like a half an hour and scrubbing it with a stainless steel scrubber, which I think was also key in removing the buildup. And another product that I had purchased was this stainless steel cleaner. I didn't think it was as effective with cleaning the weathering and the calcium lime buildup as this Lime-A-Way, because there was still some buildup left over. I actually originally started off with this stainless steel cleaner, and there was still buildup, so I used the Lime-A-Way, and the Lime-A-Way I found was more effective. So after I had cleaned up all the residue, I heard it was good for stainless steel to seal with a wax to prevent, future staining and it getting dirty. So, but I actually was looking at this stainless steel cleaner, and it was saying that it has polish to it. So, but I guess it doesn't list all the ingredients because, it says it contains mineral oil. So I'm thinking, yeah, there must be some other ingredients, including the polish. So unless, mineral oil in itself can act as a polish, but I'm thinking there's probably some other ingredients that are acting as polish. And the Lime-A-Way, the ingredients are water, acid, and then a cocamine oxide. I was just researching, it's a foaming agent, so that's what that has. So anyways, yeah, just wanted to show you the aftermath. It looks like the cleaning for the most part was a success, and I guess there were some spots where I guess even though it's a stainless steel door handle, I guess it's not stainless steel all the way throughout. Like maybe it was more of like an alloy, because this looks like, some of the, there's no like buildup here. It's just the stainless steel being removed, but actually like underneath it, it looks like it's, could be copper or a combination of copper and brass underneath and here. But yeah, there's no buildup. So yeah, I'm happy with the cleanup compared to if you see how it looks in the first video. Yeah, that's what I got. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.